All right, all right, all right. Okay, cool. Nice little hype there. Wednesday, December 3rd. And the market is moving, guys. The market is moving. We have the dollar selling off like crazy into a daily, monthly bullish for value gap. We have the metals going crazy. Bitcoin is pumping. It's insane. We already had red folders. We already had one at 8:15. We're going to have one at 10, which is nice for the 10 a.m. game. We're going to play together. And we also had CSF CPI. We're going to take a look at that as well. Let me know in the chat, guys. How are you guys doing? Are there any pairs you want me to go over? Like and all this stuff, blah, blah. No, let's just look at the market and see what looks nice and see how we can make the most amount of money today. I'm going to review some trades I took already this week. Starting with the dollar. We just took out the November low right here, monthly low, into a monthly bullish for value gap. So I could see some reaction from here. Let's see if there is a bearish for value gap. Yeah, in this whole move, there are multiple bearish for value gaps. So what I'm looking for the rest of the week is basically two things. Like I think we can do two. We can have two things here. One would be that we just start a market maker buy model from here back to the highs. That's option one. Option two, which I think is more likely, we're going to rebalance towards somewhere here in one of these for value gaps and then just continue lower. My money is on the ladder, on that we go lower for the dollar. And that also reflects in the trades I am taking. I already took a GU long. I actually took two GU longs yesterday. One got stopped out, which is not nice. And the other one was a very clean TP. Also, always nice in hindsight to see that it could be way even way higher. It's well funny. So if we look at GU, first we're going with GU and EU dollar pairs, and then we're going to discuss the indices. Yeah, the market woke up already during London. I mentioned yesterday when I was on stream with my students, like we're gonna see expansion moves in the coming few weeks because of the monetary policy changes with the quantitative easing. So expect that. So I took this trade. Why I took this trade? Well, it was obvious that we wanted to go higher from the 4-hour bullish order block, clear drawn liquidity. I got stopped out here in this price action. When this green candle was printed, I was down to play, but the market said no. It swept liquidity one more time, and then it created just such a sexy 50-minute buy structure for value gap 1. When I saw value gap 2, I was just waiting here. And yes, it was 2:30 Vietnam time. But it was good. It was good. 1 to 3, stop below this low. And I woke up to almost TP today. It was nice. But you guys don't care about hindsight. You care about what now? What now? What now? I would say we are going towards here, towards the 133.70s. And how are we going to deliver there? My eyes are now going. Guys, look at this. This is on a 4-hour time frame. Your eye should immediately go to a for value gap. But not only that. There's actually 2 for value gaps. 3 actually below here as well. I'm not going to draw them all. There's also a massive breaker here. We have a low, a high, a lower low, and a higher high, making this up close candle a massive breaker. So I'm expecting the GU maybe today or tomorrow to come back into this area. If you are familiar with the unicorn setup, overlapping for value gap and breaker is a unicorn. Highest probability trades are going to be taken from here. So when price comes back here, I'm probably going to take another trade here. But until then, I'm waiting. Until then, I'm waiting. Similar for EU. Such a beautiful price action. I think the low of the week I think the low of the week has been printed already on the dollar pairs. Keep that in mind. You look at euro dollar. See, the euro is a little bit weaker than GU for now. Cool. Okay, indices. Indices. We had a very clean reaction here from the daily for Valga, but it was, I can remember, it was not very nice structure. I'm happy with the sell-off. I'm really happy with the sell-off. Ideally, and it is not very popular, I would love us to go back to Monday. Because this structure here is just fucking ugly. Oh, I can't swear, it's YouTube, sorry. This is so ugly here on Monday. We have a Monday midnight low. I don't like that. What I hope to see, like, I already love seeing this accumulation here, the consolidation. We're going to mark that out. We're going to visit this later. We're going to make money long towards this very soon. But for now, it would be ideal if we're just going to sell off now. Would be nice. I'm curious about that. I'm curious. Let me see on the other indices. Oh, yes, and YM rough. Yeah. I like this. I'm bullish, so this is nice. Why is it nice? Because it leaves behind equal highs. It's now gonna seek liquidity. So for intraday trades, when was this? Huh? Was there news? It was 9. Let me quickly check. I think 8:30 was news, but maybe there's an announcement or something. No, maybe you guys can find it. But it's like I don't trade. Like this is a nice example why I don't trade before the open. Very simple. I don't. So we have low here. We have a low here. When we sell off, I'm just looking for lows. But ideally, we're going back to the 25 100s. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Not here to pick bottoms or tops. Closer to 10 a.m. We're opening in what is it, 6 minutes. My eyes are going, okay, we are creating potentially a 50-minute SIBI, and how is that one gonna be respected? That's the question we're gonna wait for, close to 10 a.m. Like this. London really had the dollar pairs running. Yeah, when London expands, you wait for New York to retrace and continue. If London already runs into a higher time frame liquidity pool, like the dollar did, you wait. You wait. So the dollar pairs, that's why I said I'm the only thing I'm going to look at for the dollar pairs is if you come back all the way back to the unicorn. That's the only thing I'm looking for the dollar pairs. Also for the indices, waiting out to open, let it sell off. Very nice. The structure was weird this week. I already took 2 losses on NASDAQ to review the trades. I took a 10 a.m. game on Monday. Got sold out just before the move. And here, well, no chance. We're still not at that liquidity pool. So -2 here. On GU, I took -1 and +3. So I'm currently break even on Wednesday, which is not too good. But hey, let's change that today. Cool. So original consolidation created, 15-minute SIBI potentially created in 4 minutes. Going to watch what we do inside the 15-minute SIBI. And then we wait. Let's see what the German index is doing. Ooh, rough. What is less rough? We are finally inside this 4-hour Bundesliga. Hello. Cool. So for the German index moves similar as the Nasdaq. I'm already anticipating this as low of the week. turtle soup inside the key level. So I am open later today for a long setup on the DEX, but only if we close over this 9 a.m. candle. When I set alert here, I'm gonna wait. But it looks nice. So the German index could be played instead of NASDAQ, depending on how we move. This is Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday AM low. It's already been taken. We have a SMT here. Interesting. Okay, let's see about gold. Well, gold was very nice yesterday as well. Just like silver. Silver is an absolute beast, but my eyes here are going, if I zoom out, to the daily bullish value gap, which it looks like is respected for today, but also definitely tomorrow. If the candles like this, longs towards all-time high, are going to be in play. Silver is already at all-time high, just chilling. My eyes are going towards here for silver if it retraces. But I think gold is going to play catch-up. Let me quickly see. This is a Tuesday 10 a.m. low, which is nice inside an order block here. Yeah, longs on gold are also probably coming in. Let's see if it comes back here at 10. Oh, then we open in 2 minutes. Let's see. Let's bring the fireworks. I'm curious. Okay. So we had 8:30 news, then we had a 9 a.m. sell-off. Now we have the open, and at 10 a.m. we have a red folder. That is interesting. That is a very interesting day so far. And now we wait till the open. So if you're trading Nasdaq and you have a low hit rate, you know that you take more loss than usual. You might consider trading after 9:30 a.m. EST. Just wait out the open. Just wait. I guarantee your hit rate will skyrocket because of it. Okay, we are open. So ideally, we are now just gonna respect this 15-minute SIBI and trade lower. Aggressively would be nice. And I'm not interested in this short. I'm waiting for a low to be put in. Ideally, I want to long back to the news highs here, to the 8:30 high. So my buy is going to be long. I hope we're going to sell off like crazy now and then just catch a very nice position. It's a little crowded on the chart. A little crowded. You guys by now know that we have a daily bullish value gap here. And these are all lows. This is the Tuesday low, London and New York. This is the weekly low. I would hope price to come back here. Cool. Let me know in the chat, guys, if there's any other pairs you want me to go over. I'll wait for Nasdaq. My eyes are going to towards here, towards the DEX. Why? Because we are reacting from a 4-hour order block and bullish value gap. So what I'm now waiting for is this bearish value gap to be inversed. That means it is disrespected, completely ignored. And then I'm open to take a long towards the London high. Let's see what we do here. UK 100s. UK 100s. I see the daily. I'm already not interested. Why? Daily Sibi, daily Bissy. I'm waiting here. I'm not going to drop the lower time frame seeing that. Also, last couple days has been horrible. So I would say mark, or maybe it's an alert for a daily Bissy. But for now, it's personally, I'm not going to touch that. Doesn't look nice. Also, Bitcoin, crypto, for the degenerates among us. I'm open for the low to be created and we start trading higher, at least towards this weekly bearish value gap sitting right here at 96. 4-hour structure is also created with aggressive sells here, aggressive buys. My eyes are going to this area, the balanced price range, the overlapping part between a fair value gap and an inversion fair value gap. There's also already a fair value gap here, so we could also move away from here. I'm gonna wait a bit. Cool. So here at the open, just waiting here at the price action. Nothing to do. This looks nice. So this fair value gap might be inversed, which is starting the entry model for this trade. I'm gonna wait for the candle closes. So this trade will probably be taken around 10 a.m. in 20, 30 minutes from now. The thing is, guys, we have news at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna wait until 10 a.m. at least to take anything. So now I'm just gonna can wait. Coming 20 minutes, just chill, hang out. You struggle with sitting on your hands, you really want to press the button now. I would recommend downloading a chess app or go play some blackjack. Something that gives you can get you busy for the coming 20 minutes. Also, if you took this short, well done. Like I said, I'm not interested in this. It's not my model. I'm waiting for the sell-off and then I'm gonna wait for longs. I hope also that inspires that not all market movements need to be participated. If you wait for something and you don't need to take all the moves. YM is so funny this week. It moves so aggressively. Look at hourly candle ranges. And the range is for like from wick to wick. For example, here yesterday 9 a.m. From here to there, all the way back, all the way back. YM is a beast. It's so funny. Here's all 8 a.m. Such a large range here. Imagine here, we go from 8 a.m. towards 11 a.m. Such a big move. Come all the way back to the lows here. Come all the way back into OTE. That's insane. Not for me right now, but it's pretty funny. Well, I got an alert on the DEX, which is nice. In 3 minutes, this fair value gap is going to be inversed, meaning the long idea is coming. Let's see if we can get an entry on that close to 10 a.m. Cool. So this is the first time in like 5 weeks that I have good internet right now. In Thailand, my internet was horrible, and in Vietnam, I didn't have a lot of luck with the internet. But now, guys, oh, lightning fast, lightning fast. That means fast executions, fast money. Cool. 50 minutes until news. Also going to see if this fair value gap is actually going to be inversed, which it doesn't look like yet. So we wait. Also, my eyes are still going to gold here on the 1 hour busy. Reach your value gap. I'm open also for the low of the week already printed on gold on Tuesday, 10 a.m. Cool, 10 a.m. is approaching, and as expected, we are going lower. I think it's very important in these scenarios that you just sit on your hands. It's a skill to just wait. If you know that at 10 a.m. there's a news driver coming in, why engage? Like seriously, I don't care how good of a trader you are. You should be able to identify this price action. This is from the open. That was right here until now. We were just in this range. Congrats. You failed to sit on your hands. You're now stuck in this price action. And the reason why I say it like this is you should be able to identify lower probability conditions. And it's not rocket science. If there's a news report coming, it's better to wait. Because the price action before that can be choppy. And here we go. It's not random. I've seen this hundreds of times. First, I was in here. I was just fucking stubborn. At some point, I was like, I make those mistakes all the time. Why not just don't make them? That's what we do. So yes, I'm expecting lower prices, but just wait. Just wait. Also here, this value cap on the DEX is not inversed yet. So we're waiting. GU makes another high, which is insane. Oh, GU, wow. Cool. Silver and gold. Interesting, the sell-off here. I was waiting for 10 for the fair value cap to be created. Might not be the case now. Yes, it got a little quiz. Nice. Well, am I still audible, guys? Let me see. And if you talk but no sound, I hope I'm not muted. It'll be a shame. I had it so many times, guys. No, I think it should be good. I think it should be good. Yesterday gold did liquidity, but yes, oh yeah, that was horrible price action. I saw that. Lost my account. Man, it's tough. Cool, Rami. Like, it's fine to have it once, but then just fix it. Am I sick? A little under the weather. A little tired. Lots of traveling, and it's raining here as well, so it might be a little. But I'm still good. I'm still good. I just worked all day. Woke up, worked. After stream, there will be also a new YouTube video coming out where I worked on that all day. So maybe that's the case because I already use my voice a lot. All day videos and then also calls, video recordings. Probably that. What is it needed to change to stop blowing accounts? Out of your payout that much I did. How to stop blowing accounts? Well, that's of course the $1 million question. It's also a very personal question because every trader is very different. Some traders are more prone to over leveraging, over trading, like making mistakes in general when they are overconfident. Some traders are like that when they're scared from a lack of something, so from abundance. So I don't know because I don't know you personally, but in general, what is needed to change to stop blowing accounts? Well, first of all, if you already had a few payouts, that means you already have something you're trading that works, which is awesome. And it sounds boring, but just do more of that. Just do more of that and remove all the distractions. You take all your losses on Mondays or on Fridays, stop doing that. If you take your losses before red folders, like now, stop doing that. At the same time, I would recommend patience, executing patience. Patience means finding something to do in between. That is my quote. It's Alex Hormozzi's quote. Finding something to do in between. That means when you wait for your setup, like now, you need to have something that you can do in between. Can be reading a book, can be playing chess. Like I'm here already like since 9:15, and I knew already that I'm not gonna take a trade before that. So that means I'm just gonna chill here for 45 minutes with you guys. And that is my in between. That is my waiting. Just hang out with you guys. And after 10, when the news comes, cool. Then maybe have some liquidity sweeps across the boards, or we have some displacements, leaving fair value gaps, and then we have a clear game plan. To stop, Rami, question: do you journal? Two questions: do you journal, and do you have an accountability partner? Gold is selling off. Interesting. Okay, but this is actually pretty nice because now it rebalances. And maybe I'm just too bullish on gold, but I like this sell off actually. Like I think based on yesterday's candle, this based on no, not this. Based on yesterday's candle, bro. Okay, let's try again. Okay, there we go. Based on yesterday's candle, okay, I was not sure why it's not doing it, but you see this candle here, the Tuesday candle. We traded to the daily value gap into the order block and reject. Based on this candle, I am bullish on Wednesday candle and Thursday candle. And if we now sell off, I don't care. I like it actually. I'm seeing this as a manipulation lower to go higher, with this already being a low of the week. And this bias could be completely wrong, guys. So don't get me don't don't full port my bias, please. But if we now start creating bias structure on gold, I'm definitely gonna take longs towards yesterday's high. But news will do that. News will give us the bias. So for now, it's unclear. 2 minutes until EMI. All right, 10 a.m. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. See what we get. Let the market come in. It would be nice if the dollar pairs can sell off a little bit. Not per se because they need to go lower, but just retracing. My eyes are going to GU, to this overlapping breaker and fair value gap unicorn setup. New new candles here as well. So my eyes for this session, the rest of the session, are going to gold, potential buy structure. It's going to the DAX, German index, also potential buys, and for Nasdaq. I think people who trade YM intraday are just from another breed, psychopaths. Look at that, so funny. The indicator I'm using is called Power of 3. This one. This one from 2 degrees. Make sure if you have it that your settings are set to the 4-hour. It's the default is on the 12, or not on the 12, on the daily. Cool, Rami. Thanks for sharing in the chat. Do you have your journal? If you already get paid out, like, it's more like a mental thing. You need to become ready for the money to come to you. Work on yourself outside of trading as well. Discipline works in all areas of your life. Holy Nasdaq. Holy Nasdaq. Okay. Well, interesting. Let's see what we do here. Interesting. That we would just come back one more time towards this 4-hour busy and then trade higher. That would be interesting. Okay. Did not expect that, honestly, if we would do that. Doesn't make too much sense, but well, let's just let price come to us. Keep an eye on gold. For GU, I'm expecting short term a potential retracement. Why do I think that? Is because there is a 4-hour unicorn sitting here with value gap and breaker, but obviously drawn liquidity is going to be here. 30, 33.72 equal highs here. So in an ideal world, we're going back here. And this could be an intraday play tomorrow as well. I'm going to be hunting this. If it doesn't happen today, I'm going to hunt it tomorrow. Cool. So keep an eye on the YouTube channel later today. I'm finishing up the thumbnail after stream, and then I'm going to upload the new YouTube video. Gonna be more different YouTube video than you're used to. Past videos are all technicals. This is gonna be little technical, but I think more important. This video will help you make money way faster. Excited to share it with you guys probably in an hour from now. Yeah, I'm not convinced about the price action yet here. I'm still flat. I'm trust issues here. But this 1 hour busy on gold is definitely what I'm eyeing for. Because I'm expecting this to be a buy model. So I'm expecting the down close candle from 9 a.m. To become a bullish order block later. Basically, that we do this. That's why on a lower time frame, yes, I see the bearish value gaps right here. Yes, I see them, but no, I don't think they're gonna hold. But let the market give the answer. Bearish value gap. Let's see what happens. Yeah, is it weird that I'm pretty open for shorts right now? Ooh, little error there with my stream. Not sure what happened. Cool, you're back. How high is my average win rate and extra boards? I have that's so funny. Like people think they need a 90% win rate. My win rate is 40%. I should want the threes. I'm open for shorts here. Let's see if it follows through. I'm waiting for more displacement, but I'm definitely open for shorts. Basically from the 50 minutes, Sibi. Cool. I'm gonna do one bullet short. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna sit on my hands for the long. What I'm now seeing for 10 a.m. is accumulation, manipulation higher, and distribution lower, taking out all that sell side liquidity that's still resting below the current structure. Higher time from I am bullish. There's a counter trend trade. So that's why I said just I'm gonna give myself 2 bullets. I'm not gonna go short twice. I'm gonna go short now. Get stopped out. I'm gonna wait for another one later. That is very possible. Yes, it is. Not every mindset can take a 40% win rate. No, but that took for me a very long time as well. So don't worry. Like it took me years to accept that. It was only after I started journaling and having a mentor who shared me like, "Yo, it's pretty good what you do, and it's okay to lose 6 out of 10 trades. Go lose 60 out of 100 trades. Enjoy." I said, "Okay, I'm gonna do that." So maybe we're going now. We're going to see one of the 60. We're gonna see one of the 40. Who knows? I honestly don't care at this point anymore. Like, if you trade for such a long time, you don't care anymore if an individual trade is gonna be a win or a loss. It just doesn't matter. You just try your best. You see a setup, you shoot it. Worst thing that can happen is you take a -1. For me, a -1 is $1,500 right here. Let's see. Keep an eye on gold. Keep an eye on gold. And please don't copy trade this, guys. Please don't. You know better than that. Oh no, there we go. Well, yeah, the reason why I'm short, guys, is very simple. I am not convinced about these lows here. But the market has other ideas. So that's probably gonna take a loss there. Back to -1 on the week. I'm currently break even on the week. +3, -3. Going to small drawdown this week. But that's honestly the fun part about shooting 1 to 3s. With one win, you just erase so many losses. Well, I think it's also pretty impressive that I take a trade with 0 profit. That's pretty impressive, not gonna lie. That I just shorted the absolute bottom here. I did it last week as well, or 2 weeks ago on the DEX. Cool. Well, then my eyes are going to gold. I'm gonna take gold futures, guys. Oh, hello. What is this? What is happening? That was a nice candle. Be nice if it's followed through. See that my stop loss was not in the right place. This is 1500. Okay, we're back around the entry. Gold is reacting here from the 5-minute SIBI. Cool. Also, same buys on gold, which I already explained a few times. I'm open for gold to hold the. Where is it? Here we go. Hold the 1 hour busy. Doesn't make sense for price to stay here, in my opinion. We created a low of the week potentially here on Tuesday, 10 a.m. inside a daily bullish value gap. Look at how the bodies of the current daily candles are respecting this daily bullish value gap. That is enough for me to don't respect any other premium rate. So for that reason, I'm going short on, not short, long on gold. See if that works out. And if not, I'm gonna take 2 losses for the day. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm probably on the wrong side here on Nasdaq, so I'm okay with taking the loss here. the thing is, like, I can be wrong, and that's fine. And then just take the loss and then come back later. And then maybe the gold trade will compensate for it. Let's see. But yeah, if you look at the other indices, Nasdaq is probably gonna explode soon. So when it happens, like for example, now what I used to do was, okay, I see ES and YM I see go up, so, and I'm already almost to stop loss, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna take it off here because it's going higher probably. But the whole thing about having a stop loss is to don't do that. Just sit through it already knowing very high suspecting that you're gonna lose, and sit through it and let it happen. That's fine. That's where your edge comes in. Cool. You took a short, for example, here, and you lost. Cool. Next trade. It can be today, can be tomorrow, can be next week. Don't micromanage. All right, 10:30. I'm gonna leave the stream on for a few more minutes. See what Nasdaq is gonna do. What gold is going to do. Also for after stream and also tomorrow. For GU is a monster. My eyes are still going to towards here, but it's already like 50 pips away. So might need to adjust. I think we're already going here. Insane. Maybe I need to adjust the game plan a little bit if the dollar keeps selling off. The dollar pairs. But I am, guys, don't get me wrong. I am bullish on Nasdaq, but I am bullish on Nasdaq after we take the lows here. And on gold, I think we're gonna create buy structure on the 1 hour BISI right here. But my trades are taken not by magical stuff. It's just very simple price action following. It's basically IC one-on-one. I always laugh about if I see all the 100 PD raise on other people's charts. It needs to be so simple, guys. Use basic concepts with risk management. Keep your head in the game, and just make fucking money. Just do it. Cool. Right. Let me see what Nasdaq is doing. Create some down candles, but it's just in a very weird. It's horrible range here as well. So this is ugly. Now this is ugly. So I might just got myself trapped into a bad price action, which is fine. Then just wait. I think we are going to get clean buy price action maybe later today or tomorrow. If we sell off today, then I'm expecting a low of the week to be printed on Thursday. So tomorrow. Put it in your journal already as a reversal on Thursday. And yeah, that's everything I had to share with you guys for today. If you are not in a Discord yet, not sure what you're doing, join. Links in the description. In, I think, 30 minutes, 1 hour from now, there will be a new YouTube video being posted here on the channel. And yeah, cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. 37 people. That's a lot. Did you know this is like a classroom full of amazing traders? So thanks, guys, for tuning in every Wednesday here live on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed today. If you did, drop a big fat W in the chat. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your Wednesday.